Stop paying for code editors. What if I told you there is a powerful AI code editor that's giving its pro plan free for students for a whole year? Yup, Cursor AI, the next generation AI coding assistant, just dropped this insane offer, and today I am going to show you exactly how to get it. Let's go. So, what is Cursor AI? It's not just another code editor. Cursor AI is a supercharged version of VS Code with AI built right into it. You can literally ask the AI to fix the bugs, generate entire function, explain code, or even refactor your messy old JavaScript code. Think of it as ChatGPT inside your code editor, but 10x smarter because it knows your code base. Now, here's where it gets really good. The Pro plan includes unlimited AI computation, so the AI can keep writing code for you without limits, 500 fast premium requests per month that get instant answer, fixes and explanation, and unlimited slow premium requests for deeper response without any cap. Normally, this would cost real money, but if you are a student, you get all of this offer for 1 year free. Before you dive into the steps, here is what you need: a valid student ID card, anything official from your college or university, and an .edu email address or any official student email that can be verified. If you have got those two, you are golden. Let's have a look how to activate a student offer. Let's get you set up step by step. At first, you have to go to google.com, then search for Cursor Student Plan or Cursor Student. Click on the first link, then click on Verify Status. After that, you have to sign up or log in with your email address. So let me sign in with my edu mail address. After signing up, I have to fill up the form, my country, my college or university name, my full name, date of birth, and email address. Then you have to click Verify My Student Status. Then you have to upload your student document like student ID card. Please note that your student ID card must have your varsity name or college name and logo and the expiration date of your student ID card. For uploading your student document, you have to tap on Add Document, then select your student front and back page, then hit the Submit button. It will take some time for processing. After reviewing your document, you will get an email address from Cursor. By clicking the given link of your email, you have to set up your payment method for getting that discount of Cursor. Here is the return email address of my document review I got from Cursor. It usually takes an hour to a day for approval, and once done, you will get access to Cursor AI Pro completely free for 1 year. If you are a student learning to code or building real-world project, Cursor AI will boost your productivity like crazy. So go grab your free pro plan today. Let me know in the comment if you got approved, or if you want a full tutorial on how to use Cursor AI tools for real project. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more student-friendly development hacks. Thank you everyone.